In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a Spotify player to your Wix website. I will guide you through a simple and straightforward process that will take no more than a few minutes of your time. So whether you want to feature your favorite playlist, share an artist you love, or keep your website visitors entertained with great music, this is the perfect tutorial for you. We'll begin by navigating to the Wix editor. Once you're in the Wix editor, what you need to do first is to locate the Add Elements icon. You can find this icon on the left sidebar of your screen. This feature allows you to add different elements to your website, making it both functional and appealing. So you've clicked on the Add Elements icon. What's next? You should now see a range of options pop up. Look for the one that is labeled Video and Music, and then click on it. Not only does this allow you to add a Spotify player, but it opens up the possibility of adding a range of music and video-related elements to your website, which can be excellent for enhancing user experience. Now that you're on the Video and Music section, your next move is to look for the Spotify player element. Its icon should be easily identifiable. Once you've found it, all you need to do is click on it, and while holding down your mouse button, drag it to the part of the page where you want the player to appear. The power is in your hands to decide where you want the player to be, so go for a spot that suits your site's layout and design. You're doing great so far. Next up, we need to customize the Spotify player to suit your musical preference. To do this, click on the player that you've just added to your page. This will bring up a range of settings for you to adjust. Look for the option that says Settings and select it. This will provide you with the options to customize your player further. Finally, it's time to choose the music you want to play on your website. You can do this by searching for the artist, song, album, or playlist you want to feature. If you have a specific Spotify URI code on hand, feel free to paste this instead. Either way, the result is a customized Spotify player that reflects the music you love and want to share with your website visitors. And that's it! You've done it! You've successfully added a Spotify player to your Wix website. Congrats on becoming your own webmaster, creating a more entertaining space for your visitors. As always, keep experimenting with different elements to make your Wix website as unique and engaging as you are. Remember, with a little patience and creativity, the sky's the limit.